Welcome to Origami Land, where ordinary paper transforms into extraordinary wonders. Ever stared at a blank sheet of paper and imagined it soaring through the air? Today, we're unlocking the secret to turning that daydream into reality with a jaw-dropping origami airplane tutorial. But wait, there's a twist. Stay until the final fold, and we'll unlock bonus blueprints for 2 more aerodynamic marvels. Trust us, these aren't your childhood paper planes. You've never seen folds like these. Here's a bombshell. Origami isn't just art, it's brain therapy. Did you know those precise folds are actually brain-boosting exercises in disguise? Studies show it sharpens focus, melts stress, and sparks creativity like a mental supercharger. Who knew paper could be this powerful? New to our paper revolution? Smash that subscribe button to join our fleet of folding enthusiasts. You'll get front-row access to mind-blowing creations weekly. This isn't just folding, it's alchemy. With nothing but a square of paper, we'll guide you through our ancient techniques that morph flat sheets into 3D masterpieces. The origami airplane? It's the ultimate fusion of simplicity and elegance, a pocket-sized engineering marvel. That'll leave your friends asking, how? Here's a mind-bending fact. 3 out of 4 people discover that crafts like origami rewire their brains for calm and clarity. Imagine that while crafting this airplane. You're not just making art. You're hacking your mind for Zen-like focus. But the real magic? The journey. Every crease is a mini meditation. Every fold whispers, breathe, create. And when you finish, that first glide across the room, pure euphoria. You've just turned trash into treasure. Proof that genius hides in simplicity. Wait, did we mention this art is older than samurai? Centuries ago in ancient Japan, paper folding was a sacred ritual. Today, you're inheriting that legacy. That airplane in your hands? It's a time-traveling masterpiece is connecting you to generations of hidden genius. Here's what we're really doing today. Defying physics. Watch in awe as ordinary sheets become soaring masterpieces. Hacking creativity. Learn folds that'll make your brain hum with new ideas. Unlocking secrets. Stick around, and we'll drop 2 exclusive plane designs that'll blow your feet up. Pro tip. The key isn't perfection, it's flow. Feel the paper come alive as you tuck, flip, and crease. Notice how your breathing syncs with the rhythm. This isn't crafting, it's a mindfulness hack disguised as fun. By the end of this video, you'll hold an airplane that looks too good to throw, but you'll want to. Possess ancient folding secrets for future projects, swans, dragons, oh yes. Have a shocking answer to, how do you relax? I engineer paper jets, obviously. But here's the kicker. This little plane is a Tukyu gateway drug. Master these folds, and suddenly, entire zoos, flowers, and mythical beasts become possible. Your hands? They're about to become magic portals out for paper. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. 1. Grab the closest piece of paper. Yes, that receipt works. 2. Follow our lead. We've broken it down, foolproof style. And launch your creation and tag us. We'll feature the most epic flights. Warning. Friends may beg you for folding lessons. Coworkers might demand desk decor. Consider this your official entry into the secret society of paper sorcerers. Ready to make paper defy gravity? Let's fold, fly, and revolutionize what paper can do. Don't forget to like, comment, fold me in, and subscribe. Your next obsession is just a tutorial away.